operating system. Trends in operating system. My voice is visible? Yeah, Isa, Khalid, Mohsin. Okay. Visualization in cloud. This is the topic. Cloud yani hai, cloud you all know. Cloud yani it is an environment in which you can store the file. Okay, you can access randomly at different location. Here virtualization meaning is yani there is wahid machine. In that machine you can install many operating systems. Shufina, Windows, Linux, other operating system. Yani with the help of hypervisor. With the help of hypervisor, you can create different partition, and with the help of different partition, you can install different operating system. Okay, same meaning. So here, the hypervisor creates a number of virtual machine, each with its own operating system. Yani in the hardware, you will awal install hypervisor, and hypervisor will create partition, and in that partition, you will install operating system. Okay, and also see this, it is first yani this virtualization is in 1967 by IBM. Okay, and it is in x86. x86 yani 32 bit wala 64 bit? x86 yani 30 this x86 yani 64 bit. Okay, 62 64 bit operating system. Okay, no, oh no no no, I think x86 is 32 bit, 32 bit operating system. Okay, so if question virtualization in cloud, what you will write? You will write a well hypervisor create number of this machine. In each machine you can install own operating system, and you will draw the diagram. Here tahat is hardware, next is hypervisor. Okay, after this here Windows, Linux, you can install. Okay, next topic, many core chips. Many core chips yani the meaning is, if user like in Gadim time, if you want to write the program, how you will write? You will write the program in the C language. After that you will run the program. So when you run the program, your file is stored where? Your file is stored in the memory. In the memory how? At some number, let's say 2020. At this location your file is stored. Okay, now, okay, now you want to, now you want to see where your file is stored, so you will search where your file is stored. So let's say your file is stored from 2020 to 2030, yani from 20 to 30 your file is stored. Yani in Gadim time, you know your file where is stored, because in Gadim year memory problem, but nowadays there is no problem of memory. Okay, yani in Gadim years, yani previous years program, point see this, there used to be a time that memory was so scarce that programmers knew every byte in person. Yani in previous years programmer knows the location of each program. Okay, this point number one. Point number two, here, what sorts of core yani the memory location, deeply pipelined superscalar core with fancy out of order speculing execution at high clock rate yani the memory locations lazim superscalar, yani in the memory in Gadim year that memory lazim high clock rate, speed very quick, and also superscale. Okay, so again, yani in this topic what you will write? You will write in many core chip, yani in the previous year the programmer malum every byte available in the computer. Okay, because in Gadim time memory problem big. Okay, also the memory is of high clock rate, super scalar, and out of order spectral execution. Okay, this you will write. Next, large address space operating system. Okay, now here understand two things: 32 bit, here 64 bit. 32 bit यानी ऐश 32 bit यानी 32 bit operating system, 64 bit यानी ऐश 64 bit operating system. Okay, now if I will tell you 2 bit यानी ऐश 2 bit यानी सिफर 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 वाहिद वाहिद सिफर वाहिद वाहिद, यानी if I will write 2 bit यानी अरबा एड्रेस स्पेस. If I will write तलाता बिट यानी how many address space? तलाता बिट यानी 8. How? सिफर 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 वाहिद वाहिद up to वाहिद वाहिद वाहिद. So 8 address space. Now if 32 bit यानी more address space. So like if we will use 32-bit operating system, then every person available in the earth has single byte. Also, like if we will use 2 to the power 60 to 64, yani more address space, more. So everybody will get 3 GB. Okay, meaning is here address space no problem. The problem is of memory. See this point. First time in the history, the limiting factor will be disk storage. Disk storage meaning memory, not address space. Because here address space more. We can store a different address because 2 to the power 64 more address space. But problem is of memory. Okay. So point number 2. With 64-bit address space, object could be created at the rate of 100 MB per second for 5000 years. Yani if we will use 64-bit address space, that if and you want to create object, so if you create the object at 100 MB per second, so it will finish up to 5000 years. Okay, so now we are using 2 to the power 64, so it is more address space. Okay, so how question in exam? Question is explain large address space operating system. So awal you will write 32-bit operating system, yani each person will get wahid byte. Then you will look to 2 to the power 64-bit operating system, yani every number will get 3 GB. After this you will write if we will use 64-bit, then if we want to uktub object, if we will take speed 100 MB per second, then we can take 5000 year to complete. Okay, then you will write first time in the history the limiting factor is the memory mafi address space. Okay, this you will write. Now point